What the heck, and welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Jordan. I'm usually traveling the world. I'm currently at home. I leave soon for world travels, which is exciting. But on today's video, a question I get asked a lot is what I carry in my camera bag. So I'm just gonna break it down and tell you everything that's inside my camera bag. Let's get into the video. What's in my travel camera bag with Jordan? So this is literally one of the most requested videos all the time. It's one of the most common sort of things people ask, except I always was so apprehensive to even make this video. Basically because I only ever traveled with a Sony a6000 and a GoPro. For 4 years of my travels, that's all it was. The last year, in 2019, I have upgraded and changed my kit just a little bit, but from 2015 to 2019, this is all I used. So, it would have been a 30-second video, it would have been done in seconds, but guess what? I have now upgraded, I am legit, and I can tell you more about my gear. But let me start with saying that 180 videos on my YouTube channel has been filmed and recorded with this camera. It is an a6000 with the kit lens of 16-50. It's super versatile if you want photo or video. I either suggest this when you're starting out, or an a6500 or an a6300. These three cameras are quality and definitely worth the money because I got 4 years out of it. I bashed it around and it never even broke on me once, which is super exciting. And yeah, I am almost sad to say goodbye to this bad boy because we've been on so many travels together. Oh. If you've watched the channel for a while, you should know by now that I use a GoPro a lot. I had the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It honestly doesn't matter what mode or what sort of like camera you have. Everyone says, should I get the new GoPro? Honestly, the 5 is good, the 6 is good, the 7, they're all good. So you can do a lot with whatever camera you have. I have the 7 right now. I do not have the 8. I'm just going to stick with the 7 for now, but that is also in my camera bag. This currently is not in my camera bag anymore, but the 7 is definitely with me. Along with the 7, I have a Sandmark selfie stick. This is the selfie stick that I take all of my selfies with. So obviously this is in my camera bag as well. I'll put affiliate links below for all these individual items. So if you do want to check them out, feel free to check out the description below and you'll go right to the product. So along with this GoPro, the other things that are in my camera bag is the camera that I'm filming on right now, which is an a7 III, and I'm using a 16-35 kit lens. So it's an f4 as well. So this is my setup that I'm using right now just to sort of vlog, record, main photos, everything. That is my setup. And along with that, I have a Rode video mic, which is this one, and that is my main setup. Every single part of my gear that I carry is in this Wandrd PRVKE 31-liter photography bundle bag. It's awesome because it's got a flip like this. You can put your laptop in here. It has a whole case for all your camera gear. It's super versatile and easy to use. It has been a lifesaver. I didn't know I needed this until I had it. Man, it's changed my life. The back here is awesome because you can put your passport in here, like so. You can access your camera really quickly through the side pocket, which is great. And you can stuff clothes or anything else you want in the top. So this is what I suggest you get if you wanna protect your gear and still have a bit of a travel bag that you can put other things in along with camera gear. This has been the best bag that I've ever used. I use a drone, a Mavic 2 Pro. This is the drone that I'm using right now. It is awesome. I've never had it fail on me. And I basically just, I travel everywhere with it. And it just sits in the bottom of my bag there. And it is great. The bag protects it perfectly. And I've never really had an issue. I highly suggest this drone if you want to get into more quality stuff, because this is just such a good drone. 2 batteries for my drone and a controller. And last but not least, I carry the Insta360 One X camera. This is a 360 camera. I believe this is the best 360 camera on the market. The GoPro Max just doesn't do it justice compared to this camera. So I highly suggest if you're looking into 360, this is the camera to go for. And that's it, guys. So I travel with a 360 camera, a GoPro, so that's 2 cameras. The 3rd camera is the Sony that I'm filming on, and the 4th camera is the drone. I also carry an iPhone 10 and a Pixel 4. 2 cameras, I mean 2 phones. I know that sounds a bit excessive, but I have the biggest fear of having a phone break on me when I'm in the middle of traveling, so I carry a backup phone on me just in case. And honestly, especially this camera on the Pixel 4 is just insane. So I highly suggest, if you're looking for a camera phone, this is the one. But I guess if you include the phones, I carry 6 cameras, which is a bit excessive, but I don't know, it just does the trick for me. If you are starting out, I would suggest just get a GoPro and a camera like the A6000. Those 2 cameras are perfectly fine. I filmed and worked with pretty established brands with those 2 cameras alone for 4 years of traveling. So, you know, it is about the gear, but it's also not about the gear, because I've gotten away with working with just a GoPro for a lot of campaigns and a lot of different trips. So, I don't know, I feel like that's a really quick video, just summarizing. I feel like it's a super quick video today. Just wanted to quickly jump in here and say, hey, this is what I use. You can use this too if you want, you can check it out. It's just a bit more knowledge for you if that's what you're into. I also have a laptop that is a 15-inch MacBook Pro, along with Final Cut Pro is what I edit all my videos on. It doesn't get much more simpler than that. This is all I use, and that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy that little quick, concise, boom, mash of details, please let me know. If you want me to elaborate on anything, please just put a comment below and I'll try and answer it as efficiently as I can. Apart from that, have a great week and I will see you next Monday. What the heck? Bye!